Greetings from Ågesta Nudist Beach on this rainy 10th of October 2024. Now, it is not as cold as you would feel. It is 14 degrees Celsius in the air and the same temperature is in the lake Magelungen. But you know that you feel a lot more cold when the rain is down, especially with the wind. And I am out here exploring the beach all alone, as it is obviously autumn officially, as you can see from the leaves that are on the ground as well as on the trees on this nudist beach. So yes, completely empty, and here you can see some information about the association here that has some meetings for a few days. Meetings, they are using the sauna, but not today, and it's usually later in the afternoon. And here you have information about the prices for the members. So they have measured 13 degrees on 2nd of October, but today I just measured, it is 14 degrees Celsius. And beach adventures with Chris continue as scheduled. And I am once again now at Ågesta. I was here a few days back, not sure if it was a week or 10 days, but back then it was sunny and nice. Now I'm soaking wet as I came here with my gravel bike that you can see right now. So yeah, 7.5 kilometers, less than 20 minutes, perfect for a quick lunch swim here in Ågesta. That's part of Huddinge municipality. Here is this small sandy beach that's right next to the sauna, and there is a huge green area, obviously, in the beautiful nature reserve over here. Okay, Lake Magelungen, it offers 14 degrees Celsius as I mentioned, and 10th of October, and beach day 168, I think so. I can have a check, but now my phone is a bit out of reach in my, or actually I can check as we speak. So yeah, it's second rainy day in a row here in Stockholm. Yesterday I also had a rainy swim in the center of the city. Yes, it is 168 beach day. I really wanted to double check on that. So the camera has some drops, as you can see. I'm trying to clean, but it is raining, and it is going to rain even more later in the afternoon, so I decided just to go right now and to check the lake here in Ågesta Nudist Beach, all alone. So yes, now I think I need to clean up also the camera with fresh water as it is smudgy, but there you go. I think it's better at least. So let's go with a swim, and I will suffer the cold feeling that I have. Actually it's the same temperature, so it won't be that much of a difference. Ooh. Colder days are coming. So let's then take a swim. So nice and refreshing. You don't feel that cold when it's the same temperature in the air as in the lake. But I'm so happy that I came here despite the rainy weather, because oh yes, we cannot have sun always, despite Stockholm being one of the sunniest cities in Sweden and in the Nordic countries, as you can see from all of my beach adventures throughout the year. The sun will be back for the weekend, but for this Thursday we will just have to live with the rain. for a difference. And this is my view from the water. So yes, another day in the books from Ågesta Nudist Beach. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm sure I'm gonna see you soon again on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.